Hey folks, Rockape here. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own video. First things first, open OBS and open Audacity. From here what we're going to do is make sure you have a scene setup that shows your monitor like mine has, so you can see both files, and then hit record on OBS and then hit record on Audacity. From here then you want to switch to your main game screen and you can just play away how you want. Once you finish recording, make sure you stop both about the same time. Not too important how soon you do it, but just helps you cut down the file size. Find an area on Audacity where you haven't done much speaking, click Effect, Noise Reduction, and get a noise profile. These are the settings I use, but you can use whatever settings you want, as long as it sounds okay. This will reduce all your background noise and stuff like clicking. So once it's got a profile, double click audio, go back to noise reduction, click OK. Once you've done this, feel free to save the project. I saved it as how to make a vid. That way you can go back to it if it doesn't sound too good, and then export it. I save it as a .wav file. This way it can be used in a video editing software. Next step then is to go into your video editing software. I personally prefer using Adobe Premiere. What we're going to do here is grab the recording that you made, chuck it into the video. Then wherever you recorded the sound, drag that under voice. I personally like to zoom in quite far and click play. And once you see yourself clicking on the record button, from here then pause it, zoom, zoom in a little bit more. So it was in between there, that's as close as I'm going to get. Then I'm going to drag my sound file to that point, and then it all matches up. You can then edit it how you want. Easy as that, you can just make whatever you want. There we have it. Thanks for watching.